This is problems 4 through 9 from your review. The directions state, given f of x equals x squared minus 8x and g of x equals 3x minus 1, find and simplify the following operations. The first one we'll look at is number 4. It's f of negative 1. I'll do it down here below where there's a little bit more room. So, I don't know why I put the equal sign. There we go. We have f of negative 1 is equal to, remember we're just putting that in, negative 1 squared minus 8 times negative 1. Negative 1 squared is 1, plus 8 is going to give us 9. So that one equals 9. For number 5, we have f of g of 3. So remember, we're going to start on the inside with g of 3 first. And g of 3 is going to equal 3 times 3 minus 1, which should give us 8. And now that 8 will be the input for function f. We have f of 8, which will be 8 squared minus 8 times 8. Well, 8 squared is 64, and 64 minus 64 gives us 0. So f of g of 3 equals 0. Number 6 is asking for the inverse of function g of x. So we're looking for the inverse of that function. So if we think about g of x is equal to 3x minus 1, right? Think about your g of x is y. We have y equals 3x minus 1. We're just going to do the part here where we switch our x's and y's, and then we'll just resolve it for y. So we'd add 1 to each side. You have x plus 1 is equal to 3y, and then you would divide everything by 3. And you'll get y is equal to x plus 1 divided by 3, and then we can just take it and turn it back into our inverse of function g. So take out the y and put that back in, and we get x plus 1 all over 3. Looking at 7. 7 is asking us to do the composition here with the expressions. We have g of f of x. That means we're going to take f of x, since f of x is equal to x squared minus 8x. That's what we're going to put into function g. So we're going to say g of x squared minus 8x. And we'll substitute that in as our input. So we'll say 3 times the quantity of x squared minus 8x, and then we have minus 1 afterward. And now we just need to simplify. We'll distribute our 3 to get 3x squared minus 24x minus 1. And that is our answer. 3x squared minus 24x minus 1. Number 8 is asking us to do the same thing, but we're going to switch which one's the input. We're going to do f of g of x. So with this one, we'll take it here, and now we'll take g of x. Whoops, wrong thing. I wanted to use the highlighter. There we go. Right, so we're going to take g of x. G of x is equal to 3x minus 1, and we'll do f of 3x minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 1 squared minus 8 times the quantity of 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 squared is going to give us 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. And then when we distribute our negative 8 through, we'd have minus 24x plus 8. And now we'll just combine the like terms. We have there 9x squared minus 30x plus 9. I said plus 30x, that's supposed to be minus 30x, sorry. All right, and then on to number 9. Last one there. Hopefully I got some room. We have f of the inverse of g of 2. Okay, so did we find the inverse of g already? I think we did, right? That was this expression down here. So as we take it, we're going to plug in 2 into that function first. So we have the inverse of function g of 2 should equal 2 plus 1 divided by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 over 3 is 1. And then that 1 will be the input into function f. So now we're looking at f of 1. So f of 1 is going to be 1 squared minus 8 times 1, which is 1 minus 8, which should give us negative 7. So the answer on that one is negative 7. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have questions. And yay, that's right. Haha.